First, remove the discharge nozzle. Unscrew the front fixing nut. Remove the lining. Then flip the cartridge. Unscrew the fixing nut. Remove the twist shaft. Open the lid of the box. Remove the mixing wheel. Push it away with our hand joints. Install the roulette wheel first. Both sides of the wheel snap into the card slot. Put back the twist shaft. Load from the back. Note that there are 2 card slots in this place of the sleeve. Then tighten with large plastic nuts. Then fit into the front liner. It also has a card slot. Snap into the card slot. Then tighten with small plastic nuts. Finally, install the discharge nozzle. Close the lid. The material box is installed.